All right, guys, real quick video. So we've always seen some kind of weird stuff, and people have always recorded something weird. But what I'm going to show you is going to be a quick video of what is supposed to be an alleged UFO that was shot over in Ukraine. Now, the videos I'm showing you here, I've talked about this before on my channel. I'll get more in depth at some other point in time. But apparently, from the sources talking about this, they used a drone, and this drone captured some footage, and it's very short, guys. It's only a few seconds, if that long. But the source says here, the Daily Mail, which said it originally exclusively obtained the footage, said it was captured in February by Ukraine's 406th Battalion using one of the 300 heat vision quadcopter drones. So basically, this drone was out there, and it says here the drone was flying more than 500 feet above sea level when the soldiers spotted the mysterious object. And the video I'm going to show to you guys, it's so quick. And they said it's estimated to be some 30 miles away. So it closes in on 30 miles within, I guess, a mile or two from where the drone was, if not closer, within a few seconds. So here's going to be the video here. So guys, if you want to be like me, you want to kind of read through this slow. It's of course in different language and it was translated. So you guys see that here, what do you mean? And then this is holy, you know, blank blank. Now it is in a different language, but if you go to the site, you'll kind of hear them talking, but it's a lot of background noise and music in there. It says, why isn't it moving? And then you guys say, I'm telling you, it's a UFO for sure. It's staying in place on the screen. So then they kind of zoom in more. I at first thought the UFO had came to them, but they actually zoomed in more. They say can't see anything on thermal cameras, maybe ram it, which is something that I'd probably say. Now, going back to some of the original footage of this, like I said, when I first saw this, I thought the craft had actually flew to them, but they're zooming in on it. And you guys can see those readings down there on the screen for it on the far right hand. And I'll zoom in on that if you guys want to take a look at that. But look at this right here. Very interesting to see this as they zoomed in on it, and it's a very short video. I'm pretty sure they have a lot more footage they're not sharing with us, of course, but trying to slow this down again and zooming in a little bit more, we see them moving around trying to focus in on it, and I'm pretty sure there's some more footage out there somewhere. But then they kind of zoom back out, or maybe the craft flew away just a little bit, but then they seem to be able to zoom back in on it, and you'll see this in just a second. And bam, there you go. This is what they're seeing here. It's kind of hard to make out. This could be cigar shaped, but it could also be saucer shaped. It's just hard to tell, especially just trying to get this image and just enhance a little bit so that we can look at it a little bit closer. And then of course from that point, the video is just gonna stop. Now, if you take this original, I guess I just did a screen capture of it, and you do just a little bit of enhancement with it. The only thing I did was either darken or lighten. If you darken it, you can see more of a shape of an object of whatever this is. This could be, like I said, cigar shape or saucer shape, but it's kind of hard to tell. But put down in the comments what you guys think about the shape of this. And then going back to that screen, you guys can see there, it's kind of reading a couple things there on the far right. So at first somebody will probably think, oh, this is fictitious, like a video game and stuff. So those of you guys that fly drones and stuff, you may know a little bit more about some of these readings there. So if you can put that down in the comments below, there's going to be, of course, a close-up of this. And I'm not even going to try to speculate like I'm an expert. Oh, this number means that, the number means this. But some of you guys out there may know. So if you can, put down in the comments to help educate us on some of the stuff that you're seeing here with this, so that we know what to look for going forward. So I am not sure what this is. It could be a number of things. Now someone's gonna say, oh, it's swamp gas, or it's a balloon, or something like that. I'm not saying you guys in the comments saying it, but somebody's gonna speculate that it's something else or something different than what it is. But whatever this is something else to, in my opinion, add to the archive of UFOs and UAPs we've seen in the last couple of years, that we're getting more and more footage on. And if you think about this, this does look somewhat similar to the footage that the lady caught on the airplane a couple of months ago when she was flying in. If you look at this image and compare it to the original one, they do look somewhat similar. I mean, if you just look at the object there from that point. So that's just my speculation on it. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below what you think about this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends. Stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching.